What is that? Is that what are you sitting on? Is that funny? Is that funny? Is that where the paper was? For Chloe? Yeah. Yeah. Cool. You think that's funny? Crawl around on it a little bit. You thought this was so funny yesterday.
Got 2 more left.
Good boy, Josiah. Yes, is that funny? You're a cute boy. You really like that camera, huh? Uh-oh. You do your fake laugh? Your fake laugh? Yeah, that's your drool. Yucky. What's that, huh? Wow. You crack me up, little boy. All right. Oh, don't rip it, bud. Here. Here. Another piece. There you go. Gonna crawl on that one. Oh. The difference between Chloe and Josiah. She did not like to make messes and noise. And you do, little boy. You are a noise maker.